Hi General Maths students. In this video we're going to discuss eliminating points. And the reason we eliminate points is if there is an outlier. So we might have a set of data points going along in a reasonably linear fashion, and all of a sudden one of them is out of step with the others. That's what we would term as an outlier. Now there are a few rules that we need to abide by with regard to eliminating outliers. If there's only a few data points in the set, so you haven't got much data, then you shouldn't be eliminating any points. If it's been checked and shown to be correct data, so there could be a data entry error, for instance. Someone just wrote down or typed in the wrong number when the data is being collected. But if that's shown to be if it's shown to be that the data is correct, then you wouldn't eliminate it. And the last rule is we don't eliminate endpoints of a data set. So for instance, over here we can see these data points going along, and all of a sudden what appears to be an outlier, it's not following along with the rest of the data points, but it's at the end of the set. So we mustn't eliminate that, because what could be happening here is that the data actually looks linear to begin with, but is actually non-linear in fashion, and it's going to continue on that non-linear pattern. So we mustn't eliminate endpoints. Okay, we've got this example down here. I'm not going to do all of this example. I'm just going to do the bit where we've got the scatter plot. I've made a copy of it here, and we're going to determine whether we could eliminate a data point. So the obvious outlier is this one here. So can we eliminate this? Well, we've got several data points, so I think we're allowed to eliminate a point based on the number of points we have. Okay, there's several there, so that's all right. We've got no way of checking this data. In fact, it was probably just made up, but even if it was correct data, we don't know who collected the data, or even if it was real data, rather, we don't know who collected the data, so we can't check with anyone. So, we've got no idea whether this was a data entry error or not. So from that point of view, we probably can eliminate it. Is it one of the endpoints of the data? No, it's smack bang in the middle of the data set. So in this case, we can eliminate that outlier and proceed. And that's what this question is based around, is doing a scatter plot and a residual plot and interpreting it, and then eliminating that point and repeating without the outlier there. So yeah, like I said, this comes up from time to time in general maths tests and examinations, so make sure that you understand when you can and can't eliminate a data point. So go ahead and check the description for the video and try some questions surrounding this concept.